Hi, I'm Dan Egan. I am the Director of Process and Network Solutions for Winter Electric Supply in Wisconsin. I have worked with the folks at Control Station in a series of events that were planned cooperatively between Rockwell and Werner.
For conference and trade show attendees, a successful event is one that provides access to industry experts and innovative solutions. Our team is recognized for its thought leadership, and our technologies are known worldwide as best in class. When participating at events hosted by our partners, we go above and beyond to equip attendees with the insights they seek and to make each event a success.
I was working very closely with the folks at Winter Electric planning our Pro Forum. Far and away, the number one most popular hands-on lab was the one that was conducted by Bob Rice. We had so much demand from our customers that we asked Bob if he could stick around, and we set up a third session that we've booked up again for Bob.
So whether you're hosting an international conference or a regional workshop, Control Station simply wants to know:
how can we help?
What challenges are you facing?
Where are the opportunities for your organization?
Are you ready to partner for success?